That is a tornado right in front of us. You can see debris.
Wow. Do we want to turn left right here?
I don't. Which way are we supposed to be going?
Straight. And that car's doing the same thing we're doing.
Is that? See the debris up there?
Yeah,
you can hear the tornado sirens going off here in town.
They say. Oh, which way to go, guys? Which way is it coming?
I can't tell. I think it's coming.
It's going past us.
All I know is it's not a very strong one.
It just let up.
This is the
Yeah, we got to get past it. Where do we go?